In this video, I want to talk to you about how eating well can actually help prevent you from getting burned out in your job. I'm Dr. David Geier, orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist. I help people feel and perform their best regardless of age, injuries, and yes, burnout in your work. Now, one of the challenges with burnout, and in these recent videos I've talked a lot about how common burnout is, what some of the symptoms are, how it can affect our health. And we talk about not exercising and not sleeping well, but nutrition plays an important role as well. One of the challenges we have at our work is that we're working harder than ever. Not just longer, but we're trying to cram more into our days. So a lot of us are now skipping lunch, or if we do eat lunch, we're scarfing it down while we're checking emails, while we're responding to customer complaints or patient complaints. We're trying to get paperwork done or projects done. So if we do eat, we're not eating healthy foods, again, if at all. Then we go home, we're tired, we don't feel like cooking a big meal, we're trying to spend time with our families. Maybe we start eating fast food or junk food, then we start to get overweight and we're not exercising. All of this sort of compounds on itself to lead to chronic stress and poor health. And we need to take steps to overcome that. And again, there's a number of things we can do, exercise and sleep and other things that we talk about in these videos. But in this one, I want to talk about nutrition and what you can do. And I don't know that there's one best diet for everybody. You know, I've done the keto diet, I've done the complete opposite of that, which is high carbs, ultra low fat. I've done the slow carb diet, a number of different things. And again, I don't know that there's one best for everybody. When I was going through a period of burnout in a job I had about 7 years ago, one of the changes I made was I switched to the slow carb diet, Tim Ferriss's diet in the 4-Hour Body, because it's really easy to do. And I immediately lost 2 waist sizes in a month. And I'm not really overweight or obese, but you know, in that period where I was really struggling at work, I probably wasn't in the best shape I could be. So that was a change I made right away. Again, whatever diet you pick, I don't know, there's different diets that are best for everybody. Talk to your doctor. But here's some things that I've found and things you might consider. Try to eat whole foods and not processed foods. I think generally eliminating fast foods for sure, but really all foods that come in packages is probably a pretty good thing. Focus on whole foods that you actually have to cook instead of heating up in the microwave. I think that alone will give you more energy and help you feel recharged throughout the day. Eat more green vegetables. Eat less sugar. Give up the soft drinks and all, especially the energy drinks with all their caffeine and chemicals and all things that just aren't good for you. Cut way back on your coffee, maybe 2 cups of coffee max per day, and try to get it less than that. I now do about 3 to 4 cups of regular caffeinated coffee per week, and I feel much better. And again, when you're cutting back on soft drinks, cutting back on coffee, drink a lot more water. Now, I can get a lot more into the specifics of nutrition, but I think you have to figure out what's best for you. But focus on eating better, taking better care of your health, and you'll be surprised that's one of many things that can help you overcome and prevent burnout. Thank you for watching. If you want more information on burnout, click the video below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.